Hi guys, if you intend to visit the city of Awka during this festive period, this is the video you need to see, because I'll be showing you what Awka looks like. I'll drive through Awka today, so ensure you watch this video till the end. Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. So today we'll be doing a drive through Awka. We are currently at Awka, so we're doing a drive through Awka. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much, and if you are yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know we upload a new video. So join me on this drive through the city of Awka. You can as well drop your comments as a comparison between Awka and Enugu, or Awka and Umuahia, or Awka and Owerri. We have all of those videos available for you, and very soon also we will drop Benin as well, the city of Benin, so you can do your comparison, which city is better, which city is more calmer, which city is more beautiful, which city is more interesting to live in. So guys, let's see what Awka looks like this morning. And also, if you want to see what Onitsha looks like, a link will be dropped in the description box for you to see what Onitsha looks like. So this is the first flyover.
How many flyovers are
There are 3 flyovers in Awka.
there? Awka is fine.
Yeah, this is fine now. We are approaching
Also, compare Awka and
unizik junction now.
which
But
Awka and Enugu.
From Enugu.
Enugu.
Why? What are your reasons?
But if you look at the GRA is there. Now we're calm now, very calm.
Awka does not have, I don't even know if Awka has serene areas. I know their roads are too too tiny.
But still, you can't really compare both just by you moving past now.
Yeah.
Except you have to go inside and
The inside of Awka, I'm saying, the roads are too congested, too tiny. They produce house towards the road and all of that. So Enugu is very well planned.
Enugu.
Enugu.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the second flyover.
In the full east, Enugu is the most expensive now.
What does mean involve?
Enugu is
Now load will not be our one we carry.
Enugu is
Enugu is higher.
And at them here they do business. So now we buy expensive thing.
Yeah.
So we're approaching the 3rd flyover now. right, so we are not using the third flyover because we want to join the road that is good. If we climb the flyover up, the road is very, very, very bad. Hello? Yeah.
Don't worry, sure it now.
Obviously, you can see that the other lane is bad. That's why all of us are using one lane. So that's the reason why the flyover, we didn't use the flyover. So I think that brings us to the end of this drive-through in Awka. I hope you find it informative and you can as well do your comparison like I've said before. So guys, if you are watching this video by now and you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. And at the end of this video, please do let us get your feedback in the comment section by commenting, liking and sharing with your family. So I'll catch you in our next video. Bye.